Hi everyone, I'm Richa Sareen from SkillDeck, and in today's video we are diving into a super important topic. Yes, what makes an HR resume actually stand out in 2025? If you are applying for roles like HR journalist, HR BP, talent acquisition or HR executive, this video will help you transform your resume from basic to brilliant. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to structure your resume, what content to include, and how to make a powerful first impression. Before we dive in, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and let me know what are the topics you want me to record, and share your video with your fellow HR professionals. And don't forget to visit www.theskilldeck.com for upcoming HR certifications from payroll, POSH, talent acquisition, HR BP, and more. Now let's start with what not to do in resume. Generic summaries, not ATS friendly. Sometimes we make 2-column resume. That's not ATS friendly. We don't add matrix in the resume. Like I reduced my attrition from this point to this point. Matrix has to be there in the resume. So those are the 3 prime parameters. Now let's learn how do we make the HR resume stand out in 2025. The first most thing, clear summary. The summary should be like a right net to catch a right fish. So it should be 3 to 4 liners, exactly what you are. Result oriented content you should use. Use real numbers in the resume. Like I improved the employee retention by 15% through employee engagement. I closed 45 positions with 95% of manager satisfaction score. So that's must. Also in your resume, write tools and tech skills. Recruiter want to see you are tech ready. Mention tools like I know Zoho people, I know Gratuity HR, I know ATS, I know Excel dashboards, I know pivot, I know Power BI, I know LinkedIn Recruiter. That's very must to add in the resume. Write your extra initiatives. Highlight you have worked on some implementation of the policy like POSH, drafting the policy, you have worked on the appraisal systems, you have worked on the engagement calendars. So those initiatives in the HR has to be specifically marked. All of these shows you are more than just transactional HR. You are adding a value that you have to show in your resume. And don't forget, formatting also matters. Looks matter. When it comes to your resume, use a modern, clear layout. No fancy borders or too much color. Stick to 1-column resume because that's a ATS friendly. Write summary, key skills, work experience, achievements, project, education and certifications. Like that, just format your resume. It should be like your storytelling. Use action verbs like executive, implemented, designed, improved, led, automated. And yes, tailor your resume every job by using keywords from the JD. You have to tailor it as per the JD. Most companies use ATS, applicant tracking systems, and if your resume is not optimized as per the JD, it might not even reach a human. So you need to ensure whatever the keywords that's there in the job description, you are adding that in your resume. It's a 1-column resume, no multicolors. You have to use the action verbs. Try to use more keywords that's there in the JD and try to optimize as per the job description. Now let's do a final checklist. Check, does your resume start with a powerful line summary? Example, have you shown impact with numbers? Did you name the HR tools you have worked with? Have you customized it as per the job description? Is it clear, clean, and readable? If that's yes to all, it's a great job. You are ahead of 80% of the completion already. I hope this video helped you to take to your resume to the next level. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your HR friends, your fellow HR professionals. For more real-world HR guidance, interview tips, and industry-recognized certification courses, visit www.theskilldeck.com. We have upcoming live courses on HR business partnership, POSH compliance, payroll, labor laws, taxation, talent acquisition, and even HR analytics. Seats fill up fast, so check the course calendar, enroll, and invest in your career. Subscribe to the channel for more powerful tips, and I'll see you in the next video. By then, take care. Bye-bye.